Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I'm so excited to be sharing today's travel diary with you from London, the first stop on the most incredible trip that I recently took with EF Ultimate Break. Just in case you guys have never heard of them, they are a travel company for anyone between the ages of 18 and 29, and they literally take care of everything, your flights, your hotels, some of the meals and activities. So since I'd never been out of the country before, I was so excited when they invited me to go on this trip. So I hope that you guys enjoy watching this little travel diary. I'm so excited to be sharing these memories with you. And if you guys are interested in traveling with them, obviously I will have everything linked down below. And if you're new, you can use my code Erin100 to save if you're a new traveler. And if you guys have gone on a trip with them before, let me know in the comment section. So without further ado, I will stop rambling so you guys can enjoy this little video that I put together.
Buckingham Palace Park, the biggest one and the most famous is Hyde Park. Okay, now we go that way. This beautiful building is the Ritz Hotel, one of the most exclusive hotels. Okay,
Summer.
And we almost 10 minutes walk.
It's videoception.
We're going to play a song that's very easy for you to sing. It just has one word that you have to remember, and that's hallelujah.
Oh, I love this song.
But there was a secret chord David played and it pleased the Lord. You don't really care for music, do you?
Come close. Stay together. What's all the taking photographs? What do you think you are? Tourists?
Not at all.
You lovely lot. Oh, isn't this great? You are looking at the western facade of St. Paul's Cathedral. I say western. Are you aware of this fact? That nearly all churches in Europe, learn this now, over 90% of churches in Europe are orientated with the high altar facing east towards the Holy Land. Doesn't it look amazing? You don't have to be an architectural dork like all of us guides are to go, wow, that is a beautiful building. You learn the name of one architect, Sir Christopher Wren, who constructed St. Paul's Cathedral. It's new. It's only 300 years old. I'm not being disingenuous. This is Europe.